Konnichiwa. Are you tired of eating the same old sandwiches for lunch? Why not try something different and make your own bento box? Today, we'll show you 5 easy 20-minute Japanese lunchbox recipes that are quick and simple even for beginners. First up, we have the classic onigiri. It's a rice ball wrapped in nori seaweed and filled with your choice of filling. For this recipe, we'll use tuna and mayonnaise. To make this onigiri, all you need is cooked sushi rice, canned tuna, mayonnaise, salt, and nori seaweed. Mix the tuna, mayonnaise, and salt in a bowl. Wet your hands with water to prevent the rice from sticking, and form the rice into a triangle shape. Place a spoonful of the tuna mixture in the center, and cover it with more rice. Wrap it with nori seaweed, and your onigiri is ready to go. Enjoy your onigiri. Next, we have tamagoyaki, a sweet and savory Japanese omelet. It's easy to make and can be eaten warm or cold. To make tamagoyaki, you'll need eggs, sugar, soy sauce, and dashi stock. Beat the eggs in a bowl and add sugar, soy sauce, and dashi stock. Heat a square tamagoyaki pan and add a thin layer of egg mixture. Roll it up and move it to the end of the pan. Then add another layer of egg mixture and roll it up again. Keep repeating this process until all the egg mixture is used up. And there you go, your perfect tamagoyaki. Enjoy! Our third recipe is a vegetable stir-fry. It's a great way to use up any leftover veggies in your fridge. To make this stir-fry, you'll need your choice of veggies, such as carrots, broccoli, and snow peas, and some soy sauce, sugar, and mirin. Cut the veggies into bite-sized pieces and stir-fry them in a pan with some oil. Add the soy sauce, sugar, and mirin, and stir-fry for a few more minutes until the veggies are cooked. Cut to a shot of the finished stir-fry being placed in the bento box. Fourth on our list is karaage, a Japanese-style fried chicken. It's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. To make karaage, you'll need chicken thighs, soy sauce, sake, ginger, garlic, and potato starch. Cut the chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces and marinate them in soy sauce, sake, ginger, and garlic for about 10 minutes. Coat the chicken pieces in potato starch and deep fry them in oil until golden brown. Now, place it into the bento box together with the tamagoyaki. Last but not least, we have edamame, a healthy and protein-packed snack that's perfect for bento boxes. To make edamame, all you need is a bag of frozen edamame and some salt. Boil the edamame for a few minutes, drain them, and sprinkle with salt. There you have it, you can add the edamame to your bento box and be on your way. And there you have it, 5 easy 20-minute Japanese lunchbox recipes. These recipes are perfect for beginners and can be customized to your liking. With these recipes, you can make your lunchtime more exciting and enjoyable. Try them out yourself and let us know what you think. Arigato gozaimasu for watching. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cooking tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.